guys, welcome. So I'm starting with this LA Colors gel like polish and the color Dusty Rose. I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 coat of this, and then I'm gonna be letting it dry for about 3 minutes, just because this polish doesn't go under the UV light. I decided to go in with 2 more coats of this polish, making sure that I air dry in between. Alright, so now I'm going in with this gel polish in the color White by Model 1. Went ahead and made sure that my nails are completely dry just because of the different formula of the polishes. One's gel like the other one's actual gel. Now right here, I'm actually trying to do the V French tip with the brushes. I was having a hard time at first, then I got it down, so the rest were a little easier. Right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and just keep showing you guys. So I do 1 coat of the white V French tip on each nail. I put it in the UV light for 60 seconds, and then I go in with another coat. Once I'm happy with how my set turned out, I go in with a nice layer of top coat, and then I cure them for 120 seconds. Love how they look as is, but I am gonna go in with some rhinestones on one of the nails. Once I'm done placing the rhinestones, I go ahead and cure for 60 seconds, and this is how they turned out, guys. I hope you guys like this video. I really love how they turned out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.